What if we shifted to Mars? Firstly, if we shifted to Mars, we may keep on rotating in those huge dust storms. Secondly, if we shifted to Mars, our gold bars may now get replaced with red Martian rocks. Lastly, if we shifted to Mars, we may now have to live along with aliens. What if the Earth exploded?
Wait, dude. I first need to finish my pizza.
Oh, chumpum. Firstly, if the Earth exploded, Earth's natural satellite, as in the Moon, may also break up. Secondly, if the Earth exploded, Earth's neighbors, as in Venus and Mars, may keep on coughing. Lastly, Earth is our solar system's star attraction. If the Earth exploded, Sun may not be able to control his crying. What if Earth had Saturn's rings?
Oh, so is our Earth a thief?
Oh, chumpum. Firstly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, Saturn might snatch away all of Earth's water. Secondly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, Saturn might start enticing humans to come and live on it. Lastly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, the ring might become overcrowded with humans taking selfies on it. What if Earth became bigger than the Sun?
Don't worry, son. I will make Earth short again.
Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if Earth became bigger than the Sun, all humans on planet Earth will now have a building of their own. Secondly, if Earth became bigger than the Sun, Earth may now need many more suns. Lastly, if Earth became bigger than the Sun, all the planets may now start laughing at the Sun. What if the Moon exploded?
Cool! Chumpum loves explosions.
Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if the Moon exploded, all the debris might land onto planet Earth. Secondly, if the Moon exploded, planet Earth might immediately go for a health checkup. Lastly, if the Moon exploded, planet Earth might just order a new moon. What if the Sun exploded?
Yippee! Now Chumpum will be the king of the solar system.
Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if the Sun exploded, all the planets in the solar system may also start breaking up. Secondly, if the Sun exploded, the Moon may have no option but to carry a candle at all times. Thirdly, if the Sun exploded, a black hole may finally make its entry into the solar system. Lastly, if the Sun exploded, planets may install a nuclear reactor in the place of the Sun. What if Earth became an asteroid? No big deal! Asteroids are nothing in front of chumpum. Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if Earth became an asteroid, then just like an asteroid, even Earth may now be surrounded by fire. Secondly, if Earth became an asteroid, Earth may shift over to the asteroid belt. Lastly, if Earth became an asteroid, other asteroids may carry Earth away. What if Earth became half moon?
No big deal. Chumpum will become half sun.
Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if Earth became half moon, Earth may now say goodbye to the original moon. Secondly, if Earth became half moon, Earth's moon half may keep on changing its shape. Lastly, if Earth became half moon, Earth may now have to order moon glasses. What if Earth became half Jupiter?
Cool. Now Chumpum can easily go to vacation on Jupiter.
Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if Earth became half Jupiter, Earth's Jupiter half may become way too big. Secondly, if Earth became half Jupiter, Earth's Jupiter half may always be accompanied by Jupiter's 100 moons. Lastly, if Earth became half Jupiter, Earth's original half may start hiding from Jupiter's great red spot. What if Moon became extremely bright?
This is gonna be funny. Check it out.
Oh, chumpum. Firstly, if moon became extremely bright, planet Earth may simply cover up the moon. Secondly, if moon became extremely bright, even our sun may increase its brightness. Lastly, if moon became extremely bright, astronauts who are about to land may make a run for it. What if Earth became windier than Neptune?
No big deal. Chumpum can spin faster than anything.
Oh, chumpum. Firstly, if Earth became windier than Neptune, Earth's skyscrapers might get uprooted and start spinning in the storm. Secondly, if Earth became windier than Neptune, even Earth's neighbors, Venus and Mars, might get caught up in the storm. Lastly, if Earth became windier than Neptune, Sun might hand over his crown to planet Earth. What if humans lived on the moon?
Cool. Even I was planning on leaving Earth.
Oh, chumpum. Firstly, if humans lived on the moon, Earth may never ever stop crying. Secondly, if humans lived on the moon, humans may find it very, very difficult to sleep at night. Lastly, if humans lived on the moon, Earth may try very, very hard to get the humans back. What if moon stole Earth's water?
Wow, moon is so very brave.
Oh, chumpum. Firstly, if moon stole Earth's water, moon may completely drown in Earth's water. Secondly, if moon stole Earth's water, Earth may drench the moon in black paint. Lastly, if moon stole Earth's water, our sun may catch the moon red-handed. What if Earth became hotter than Venus?
Oh no, I just bought so much ice.
Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if Earth became hotter than Venus, Earth's ice-clad mountains will be a thing of the past. Secondly, if Earth became hotter than Venus, Earth's prized possession, as in water, will simply boil away. Lastly, if Earth became hotter than Venus, Venus may try very, very hard to douse Earth's fire. What if Earth became triangular?
No big deal. Even Chumpum can get triangular.
Oh, chumpum! Firstly, if Earth became triangular, all of Earth's skyscrapers might fall off its triangular slopes. Secondly, if Earth became triangular, humans standing on the edges of Earth may keep on wobbling. Lastly, if Earth became triangular, planets may start running away from Earth's sharp edges.